Hey folks, my name is Sash and I'm the creator of Operational. Operational is a simple event tracking tool for SaaS businesses. Using Operational, you can get a deeper understanding of what's happening inside your product. You can get a deeper understanding of events such as signups, cancellations, webhooks, cron jobs, and much more. In this video, I'll give you a quick tour of Operational. Starting with actions. With Operational, you can send events to Operational from your backend, and you can view these events inside your account, inside your Operational account. When you send an event, you can also send actions. Actions, they show up as buttons. Now, with this action activate user manually, we have this issue where people would sign up and they would never get their activation email. So they would send me an email that, hey, listen, we didn't get this activation email and we would like to get our email activated. So previously I had to open up my SQL editor and flip a flag, and then I would have to tell them that, hey, look, it's done, like you can now use the product. But now I can simply click on this button and that's it. Their user is activated. This isn't magic. All Operational is doing is sending a webhook to my server, my SaaS business's server, and using that webhook, using the information in the webhook, the server will flip a flag for that user. Second thing with Operational is, unlike any other analytics tools or even tracking tools, you can simply pass in a blob of text, which is really not that useful. But with Operational, you can send in a structured JSON, and it will render the JSON as a structured, like a really nicely formatted text. For user sign up, at a glance, I can see who signed up, what their email was, their company name, IP, and other details. This is great because previously I had to manually take a look at these events, and I had to get an understanding of, okay, what exactly is happening, who did what, and what are the details. With Operational, at a glance, I can see what data did this person provide when they signed up. Then we have a feature called contextual events. With contextual events, you can pass in a event which is related to another event. Think of them as a chain of events. For instance, in this cron job, we have this reconciliation cron job, which takes all the paid users in my database and it checks them against my Stripe accounts customers, and it checks for any discrepancies. Before, I had no clue what's happening, no clue whatsoever. I literally didn't have a visual representation of how this cron job ran and what did it do. But now I have an understanding that, okay, at 6:58 p.m. this cron job ran, and it went through a couple of users. Almost all of them succeeded except for one. And I have the details, so I can take a deeper look into what exactly happened. Previously, I had zero visibility in this area. So that's Operational in a nutshell. Operational is an intentionally simple tool, but we do have one more feature. This whole web app, it can run as a progressive web app, which means that if you open this web app inside Safari on your iPhone, and if you add it to your home screen, it will work exactly like an app. Here's an example. This is great because A, I get push notifications for these events, and B, I don't need to have my laptop with me all the time. I can be outside somewhere and I can click a button and make my backend do things. It's like magical. Before Operational, I had to literally carry my laptop with me all the time. So this thing ended up saving me a ton of time for my own SaaS business. That's Operational in a nutshell. I hope you liked the video. If you would like to sign up as an early adopter, you can reach out to me. You can DM me, or you can send me an email at sash@operational.co, and I'll happily onboard you. That's all for now. Thank you.